Imagine you wake up in the morning, open your phone, and your job notification has been replaced by an AI system. Sound extreme? In fact, many jobs are already being replaced by AI today. Let's discuss them one by one in today's content. There will be 3 parts that you need to know. Part 1. Jobs most at risk of displacement. Numbers are staggering. In May 2023 alone, 3,900 U.S. jobs were directly lost to AI. Goldman Sachs predicts 300 million jobs worldwide could be displaced by 2030. First, data entry and call centers. Automated systems now handle 14% of customer service roles that humans used to do. Companies are saving millions while AI chatbots work around the clock. Second, basic translation work. Google Translate and AI language models have made human translators nearly obsolete for simple tasks. The translation industry has shrunk by over 40% in basic service roles. Third, simple design and copywriting. What once required years of training now takes minutes. 37% of companies reported replacing creative workers with AI tools in 2023 alone. Office administrative roles face the biggest threat. Studies show up to 50% of these tasks can be automated, potentially eliminating nearly 1 million U.S. jobs by 2029. This isn't speculation, this is happening right now. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll explore which jobs remain safe from AI replacement. Welcome back to Part 2 of our AI job series. After exploring the alarming displacement statistics in Part 1, let's discuss the jobs that remain safe from AI automation. The World Economic Forum identifies agriculture, logistics, and teaching as industries appearing most secure from AI replacement. But let's dive deeper. Here are the jobs AI cannot replace. First, healthcare professionals requiring human touch. Surgeons, therapists, and nurses need emotional intelligence and physical dexterity that AI lacks. The healing power of human connection remains irreplaceable. Second, creative and strategic roles. High-level strategists, research scientists, and performing artists rely on contextual creativity and complex decision-making that AI cannot replicate. Third, leadership and management positions. Managing teams requires emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, and nuanced judgment, uniquely human traits. Fourth, skilled trades and manual labor. Plumbers, electricians, and construction workers use physical problem-solving in unpredictable environments. Expectations for machine replacement in these fields have actually decreased. Here's the encouraging news. 91% of companies using AI plan to hire more employees in 2025, not fewer. They're seeking workers who can collaborate with AI, not compete against it. The key insight? Jobs requiring human judgment, creativity, emotional intelligence, and physical dexterity remain secure. In Part 3, we'll reveal how to future-proof your career in the AI's age. Welcome to Part 3, the final chapter of our AI job series. After showing you what's at risk and what's safe, here's how to future-proof your career in the AI age. The reality check. 54% of employees will need significant reskilling by 2025. But here's the opportunity. AI will create 97 million new jobs by that same year. First strategy, develop AI collaboration skills. Don't compete with AI, work alongside it. Learn to prompt AI tools effectively, interpret AI results, and understand AI limitations. 280,000 people have already enrolled in AI courses this year alone. Second, focus on uniquely human skills. Emotional intelligence is now 25% more in demand. Critical thinking, complex problem solving, and creative strategy remain irreplaceable. Third, embrace continuous learning. The World Economic Forum shows that 40% of core skills will change by 2025. Make learning your superpower. Fourth, cross-train across disciplines. Combine technical skills with human-centered abilities. For example, data analysis plus emotional intelligence, or AI knowledge plus creative thinking. Here's your action plan. Start with one AI tool relevant to your field this week. Take an online course, practice daily, track your progress. Remember, 62% of employees are taking control of their own skill development. Don't wait for your employer. Be proactive. The future belongs to those who adapt, learn, and grow alongside AI. Your career isn't at risk. If you're prepared, the choice is yours. Will you be displaced or will you be irreplaceable? So, thank you for watching Kumo SynthMind. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and get information about AI that can help you in the future. See ya and stay healthy.